Hello children of DAV Moil Public School Sita Savangi. This is Aarti Agrahari, your teacher, welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 4th, subject Social Science, and our topic is Waste Management Part 2. In previous session, you have learned the paper, broken glass, metal, plastic, vegetables, food peels and leftover food are called waste. There are two types of waste, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Today we are going to learn about recycling. Recycling means separate usable material from the waste and converting them into new product. Paper can be recycled to make newsprints, toilet paper, etc. Iron, copper, aluminium, plastic and glass can also be recycled and made into useful items. Recycling protects the environment in the following ways. It reduces the amount of waste. It conserves our natural resources like timber, waste, iron, etc. It reduces pollution and it saves energy. Method of reducing waste. Some of methods to reduce waste are: carry a cloth bag in place of plastic bag, compost biodegradable material, use energy efficient light bulb. So, reduce, reuse, recycle and rethink. This is slogan of everyday life and you must follow this. You can see on the picture many material has been made from cupboard. It means cupboard se jugaad. You can make also many decorative or useful things from waste material. Means best out of waste. Okay. Now see disposing waste material. Today most cities, town, village and countries face the challenges of having a proper system of collecting, separating, reusable item and disposing of the waste. In earlier times, the population was limited and therefore the waste was very limited. It was thrown away in vacant space, away from home, office and factories. But now there are hardly any vacant places available due to increases in pollution and widespread construction. Hence, the amount of waste is increasing. It is proving to be a threat to the health of human beings, animals, plants, water bodies, and air. There are different ways of disposing of waste. They are landfills, burning, the thrush, recycling, and making compost. But each method has some disadvantage. The landfill require place. Once filled, new sites are required. The waste can be burnt. It pollutes the air and harms the surrounding. All methods of waste disposal are very costly and government have to spend huge amount of money on waste disposal. Hence, we must reduce waste and recycle items from the use biodegradable items and save your environment. You must remove waste heaps. Each and every person must take care not to litter, spit or urine in open area. People must be encouraged to construct toilet in rural areas. In urban areas, more toilet must be made. The government must make strict laws to maintain cleanliness in public areas. In this, we can help in waste management. So children, don't throw your waste here and there. Use biodegradable material and try to reuse non-biodegradable material and make your environment happy and safe. In next class, we will discuss more about waste management. And your assignment is make notes on biodegradable and non biodegradable waste. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.